Alrighty guys, so before we finish this video, I want to give you guys a little quick plant haul on what I ended up buying. So let me get some of the plants and let me show it to y'all. So the first one, by the way, the total was 57, I believe. But the first one is this beautiful, it looks like a moss, but it's called a millennia. So like, oh my god, I don't even know. But it's really, really beautiful. Here is the tag. And I paid $15.98, I believe. Yeah, $15.98 at Lowe's. And you guys, I love it so much. Like, it looks really easy to propagate also because like the roots are starting to pop out. It's so beautiful. Usually I won't buy these like type of plants because I'm scared they're gonna like dry out and just die. So because I have a greenhouse now and I'm putting all of my plants in the greenhouse, I feel like it will be safe because a lot of my ferns and like my spider plants and a lot of other different like varieties of kind of ferns that I have that usually get very crispy indoors, they're doing amazing in the greenhouse. So I feel like they will do a-okay. Well, she will do a-okay in the greenhouse. And I also want to propagate her to like make more so to get my money back. But yeah, it's so beautiful. And like I'm trying to buy as many I'm like trying not to buy plants, like a no buying plant ban, I think that's what you call it. But you guys, I want to build my collection, and some of these plants were like so beautiful I couldn't say no to. Others like I wanted for a while and they had it right there, and others like I was like on the edge. But then when I saw like there was also only last one, it was really, really cheap, and then I saw really expensive online. I was like, I might need to get it now. Which is a plant that's in the front yard. I might show it to you guys in a bit. I might, because I put it in the front yard because I said I'm using it for decor. Let me get the other plants. Alrighty, so usually I hate begonias, but these were for $5.98, and when I saw it, I'm a variegation type of gal, and like I just love beautiful leaves. And this one, like the camera's not giving it justice. It really, really is beautiful, you guys. Like my boyfriend saw it, he was like, I think and he was like, oh, and I was like, yeah, it's so breathtaking. Like the purple is where like there's like the shimmer, and it just looks beautiful. Like it looks so shiny, like my forehead. But it's really, really beautiful, and I love it so much. So I'm super excited about this one. And then I got this other beautiful begonia. Look at those leaves. It's very, very full, as you guys can see, and it has the most beautiful leaves. And I want to like repot it, so like I want to see if it gets even more bigger, which I'm pretty sure. But like it's so breathtaking. It's literally just called the Rex. Begonia Rex. I'm pretty sure it has like a scientific name, like a specific name on it. If you guys know, make sure to let us know in the comment section below. But yeah, it's so cute, and I just love the leaves. It's beautiful. And this one, it also says just Begonia Rex. Let me show y'all. There it is. Beautiful. I just love the leaves. And the two other plants, let me get the other plants. Well, we got 3 more left. I got this from my boo. It's this beautiful cactus. It's called Cactus W Decor Flower. It literally doesn't say the specific name on this one. That's what it says on it. I forgot how much I paid for this one. I just saw it and I got it. I think it was for $5 something, but it's really, really pretty. That's a fake flower. I'm gonna remove it. I'm trying to be as careful as I can. But these actually, I noticed that they bloom really, really beautiful. And the reason why I got him a cactus is because he told me that he was into plants, but because he works and he's very, very busy now, he ends up like not being able to have plants to look after them. And usually I try to look after them, but I just kill them because I'm also like not really good at the plants that he likes, aka carnivorous plants and begonias. Which is kind of funny because I just got some begonias, but I'm trying to like teach myself how to like care for them and like, you know, get them down. But I was like, maybe a cactus, just leave it outdoors, water it when it's dry, and it will do a-okay. And he has a cactus plant outside, and it is flowering, and it's just so beautiful. And I was like, here's another cactus that you can build your collection with. But it's really, really beautiful. And I know that he likes this type of cactus because it looks like he can propagate it, I believe. Like each little like ball thingy that you're seeing, you can propagate into a whole new plant. So that's really, really cool. But I just love it. And if you guys look really, really closely, let me get it out of the frame. Let's see if it focuses. It has such really, really cool, like, it just looks really, really cool. Alrighty, and then I got this Vitonia. I already bought this girly before, but I gave it to my mom the first time I bought it because she liked it and she likes the color pink, and I was like, you can have it. So I went back to Lowe's and they had like more of these, and I was like, oh my god. So I ended up getting it. It's called the Franky Vitonia Argentina from Peru. If it's not focusing, you guys, I'm really sorry. I'm trying my best. But yes, it has like such beautiful leaves. Do y'all see all that pink? Like, oh my god, it's just flowers. Who? Like, it's beautiful, and I want to put in a bigger pot, and I want it to get bigger. And I don't think these trail, but if they do, that'll be really fun. But yeah, it's so pretty, and it was for $5.98 at Lowe's. Now these are the last plants that I have for right now. I might get the one that I bought today from Lowe's as well. It's on the front, so give me like a minute. I'm gonna make it into like a second because I'm gonna like edit this video, but I'll be back. And the last plant is this beautiful Madagascar tree or Cena. We're gonna see what it's actually, what people call it. Cena Ray of Sunshine. I got it for $12.98 at, it's like Pokemonos. I got it for $12.98 at Lowe's, and when I first saw it, I was like, I don't need it. Like, it's not, you know, it's cool and it's beautiful and I want it, but I don't need it. And then when I came back, when I went today, this was the only one left. And I was like, oh my god, like, should I get it? Should I not? And I ended up getting it because it's so cool. And for $12.98, it has 3 very large plants. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just got it and it's just so beautiful and I love it so much. But yeah, you guys, look at this. I want it to get taller and I want to propagate it. And I just, oh my god. It has fertilizer inside, but it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. So, oh my god. So that's it for this plant haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It was going to be added to the other video, but I feel like I'm gonna make it into a different video. So yeah. So now I gotta go and finish the greenhouse because before you guys see this video, I'm already gonna have this video done and a lot of other videos. But right now I need to have part 1 of or updating like the greenhouse. That's gonna go up today and it's ready and it's fully edited, but I haven't like had I don't have the description box or the titles or the caption tags and everything else like not ready. So I need to get that done by 12 because my goal is to always post at 12. And then after that I need to like do a time-lapse and film part 2 today and have that uploaded like tomorrow. So after that, I'm gonna upload the plant shopping videos and then another outdoor plant shopping video, and then I'm gonna upload the plant haul video. So I'm pretty good with content right now. I know I'm looking stressed out and I'm just like really like overwhelmed. It's just the morning and I have gotten so much done, which is amazing. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.